Hello, Namaste, and welcome to EduSure EcoTopper Orientation Program for the year 2021-2022. Today we talk about what this course EcoTopper is, and we give you a sneak peek as to what you can expect, how to enroll for the course. Okay, so let's go underway. So first things first, this course EcoTopper entails to prepare you in 1 year for the top MA in economics institutes across the country. Okay, if I talk about which institutes are we preparing for, it entails institutes like Indian Statistical Institute, Delhi School of Economics, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Indira Gandhi Institute for Development and Research, Shiv Nadar University, Ashoka University, Madras School of Economics, Gokhale Institute for Politics and Economics, IIFT, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, the Delhi campus, the Bombay campus, the Madras campus, wherever IIT is offering MA in economics. Okay, and we basically give you a comprehensive course which will prepare you for all these entrance examinations. Now going into the features of the course and how we conduct the course. Point number one, we conduct the course in two methods. One is the online live class. Okay, the live classes will happen initially 2 days a week. So from the month of May 2021 till the month of December 2021, we will have classes 2 days a week. Okay, it will be two batches. One batch will be a Tuesday and a Wednesday batch. Tentatively, the timing will be 4 p.m. and the other batch will be a Saturday and a Sunday batch for all the working people. It will be at 10 a.m. in the morning. These classes will be for approximately 2 hours each, 2 hours to 2.5 hours each, depending upon the topic. So we basically solve the ISI, DSC and the JNU papers from the year 2006 till the year 2021. So we basically solve 16 years of ISI, DSC, JNU in class itself. We have actually divided the entire syllabus into 40 topics. We firstly do the concept or the theory for that, and then we go into the ISI, DSC and the JNU solutions for that. Okay. Now, coming to the schedule after December. So January 2022 onwards, classes will be held 5 times a week. Okay, it will be approximately 10 hours per week classes, January 2022 onwards, because we've actually seen this, that a student gets more serious as the year in which they appear for these entrance examinations. So from January 2022, we go into the 5th gear of our preparation. Before that, we go at a good pace, but January 2022 onwards, we go at lightning speed. Okay, it will be 10 hours a week, the classes. So this is the first aspect of our preparation, which is the live classes. Let me show you the course schedule, which will be given to each of you once you commence the course with us. This is the tentative course schedule. So we begin the course EcoTopper 2021-22 on the 25th of May, which is a Tuesday. 4 p.m. we start off with the topic functions. We discuss domain, range, and then we go into convex and concave. And the Wednesday class, we do consumer behavior. So the Tuesday class at 4 p.m. will entail mathematics, and the Wednesday 4 p.m. class will entail economics. The Tuesday 4 p.m. class will be the same class as the Saturday 10 a.m. class, and the Wednesday 4 p.m. class will be the same class as the Sunday 10 a.m. class. So it's an option which is given to each of you, that whether you want to do the Tuesday and the Wednesday batch, or you want to do the Saturday Sunday batch. Okay, so this is the schedule from May to December. You will be able to find out all the topics here. This will be shared with each and every one of you, that which day which topic will be done in order to finish off the entire syllabus. We will be making an attempt to finish off the syllabus before the IIT entrance examinations, which takes place in the month of February, beyond which we will be going into doubt sessions and doing the miscellaneous questions from other question papers. The other aspect of our preparation entails access to a student portal for all our students. The student portal is a comprehensive place. We give you a user ID and a password when you join our course, and the user ID password gives you access to approximately 3,000 plus videos, which will entail approximately 1,000 videos which are concept videos, and about 2,000 videos will be ISI, DSE, JNU solutions, IGIDR solution, IIT solution, so on and so forth. Okay, these 1,000 will be basically concept videos. Now, what are concept videos? What is a utility function? What are indifference curves? How to find out the maxima or a minima for a one variable case, for a two variable case? What is a permutation? What is a combination? What is a binomial distribution? What is a normal distribution? What is ISLM? What is the IS curve? So all these theoretical videos are called concept videos. You get more than 1,000 videos which are conceptual. Okay, now in order to make you understand which are the topics that we focus on, you not only have this schedule, but you will also be given a study plan for each of the subjects. Like, for example, you get a study plan for mathematics. First topic, as you saw, was functions, domain, and range. This document is already there on the portal, and this gives you an idea on how to prepare for these entrance examinations. This is a step-by-step tool, okay, explaining how to cover each topic in absolute detail. So when we do functions topic, okay, if you don't have my help, this thing will help you in itself. It is written, see the theory video, functions, introduction, domain and range. Do the practice problems from the sheet. There is already a PDF document uploaded on the portal, which I call it the sheet. Then attempt these problems. These are basically domain problems. Then go into the theory video for simple composite function and do these problems again. Then see the video for inverse of a function. Okay, then do this question, then see the video on increasing and decreasing functions, then do these, then do all the remaining sheet problems after you take a look at homogeneous and homothetic. So it gives you a step-by-step thing for each and every topic. So this is only for functions. Similarly, you have a step-by-step for all the 40 topics that we plan to cover for these entrance examinations. Look at this. Same thing is also done for statistics, regression, hypothesis testing, econometrics. So entire thing is done in absolute detail, which problem to do when, which video to see when. Now let's give you a sneak peek into the student portal. How does it look? So you start by going on the website edusure.in and clicking on the login button. click on login. This page will open up. Put in your Compass ID and password. It will open up the Learning Center. You have to click on access the course which is given to you. So you can open up the study material for any topic. This is microeconomics. You will be able to see the study plan by opening this PDF document here. So you get to see this microeconomics study plan, consumer behavior, look at which notes, do which questions, absolute in detail. Each and every topic has a PDF document like consumer behavior, types of utility functions, optimal allocations. Let's open it up. So we opened up this and you'll be able to see this entire theory here. So for each topic that we have theory PDFs. So this gives you an insight on the questions that we are looking to do in class and the theory that we're looking to cover. And the beauty of the student portal is that you never actually miss any class because each and every class of ours is recorded. So in the first class, we basically cover the budget lines theory. So you click on this and you can see the theory videos that we covered in class itself. You can see this entire theory video in detail. And you can enhance the speed in case you want a faster class. You can increase the speed to 1.5 times. Okay, so you decide the pace in which you want to study in class. Similarly, you can open up any of these videos, any theoretical video that you want to. Okay, now supposing you have now finished all the syllabus, completed all the topics. Now it is revision time. In the revision time, you want to take a look at only the video for Monopoly. So you click on this filter by text, click Monopoly, type Monopoly, open up the Monopoly basics. You are stuck at a particular problem. Supposing ISI 2018 question number 5 you're stuck at. Question number 5 is here. Click on this and you can revisit that question. Okay, the student portal knows it all. Whichever year, whichever topic you want to revise, it's all there. Now it's not only the study material but also the tests. The tests actually tell you how good you are vis-a-vis the others. So in the assessments, you can find all the tests that are available to you. We give approximately 40 plus tests in the mock test series. In the EcoTopper course only, you'll get about 15 topic-wise tests. So you'll get a test on consumer behavior, you get a test on calculus, as you can see on your screen. You get a test on introduction to macro, Keynes classical, open economy, practice test, ISLM, fill in the blanks, reasoning, reading comprehension. These are all important for IJIDR and IIT entrance examinations, where you get English as well in the papers. So you get so many topic-wise tests. Once you give a test, you can find your marks in the report section, wherein you can also find your score. You can find out the questions that you got correct, incorrect, your rank vis-a-vis the others, and the areas for improvement or the topics for improvement. You name it and you have it. If you want to ask any questions, you can go into the forum section and ask the teacher or put your question in the forum itself, and it is answered by either the faculty or any one of the other students. So that is about the student portal. Apart from that, We also have doubt clearing sessions once we finish off the syllabus. We have interview sessions for all institutes having an interview after you clear their entrance examination. We as an institute also provide a WhatsApp group to all of you wherein we post regular updates on important dates for institutes. Okay. We also post any relevant material for these entrance examinations, like providing additional PDF documents, okay, providing additional material for these entrance examinations. This WhatsApp or a Telegram group will really help you in your preparation with relevant news and updates for MA in economics. Now, the next part is how to join us. Go on our website edusure.in. You'll be able to see all the numbers here, where to make a call. On your right, you can see the numbers. Okay, on the top, you can see the numbers. Fill up the inquiry form. Click on this, an inquiry form will open up, fill it up. Fill up this form and we'll contact you back. In order to reserve your seat, click on this link. You can book your seat for the course by paying only 5,000. Click here and the link will open up for making the payment for an advance for the course, which will basically book your seat. If you want to see how we conduct our classes, take a look. If you want to see what our students have to say about us, take a look.
I joined Edusure to primarily improve my grip on mathematics and economics, and Edusure did not fail me one bit. Mahima ma'am and Ankit sir are wonderful teachers. They are extremely helpful, very approachable, and highly motivated.
But believe me, if you're in Edusure and you are getting the right type of practice and training in how to plan in using your time efficiently, then you can also definitely crack these entrance examinations as I have done.
Secondly, mock tests are very vital, and Edusure provides an excellent mock test program that I took.
And a friend of mine suggested Edusure, and I'll tell you why it turned out to be the best decision, because so they have an online portal where they upload all the videos they record. So no matter when you join, you have access to all the content, no matter what topic you want to study. And for each question of ISI, DSE, JNU, they have made an individual video solving that question and explaining the underlying concept, and also giving you different methods.
Edusure is one of the best places to be for the aspirants who want to join premier institutes for MSc Economics.
I would like to recommend Edusure to anyone who wants to sit for the entrance exam of economics of master's level.
So if I can do it starting from absolute zero level, with the help of Edusure, you can do it too.
I highly recommend Edusure for their very focused and dedicated approach to question solving and concept building. Good luck.
And all the best. If I can do it, you can too. Thank you.